Let's make spicy pumpkin curry today. We start off with half a pumpkin. Remove all of the seeds and peel the skin and chop into small cubes. Let's add 1 tablespoon red Kashmir chilies, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 tablespoon dhania jeera, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 2 teaspoons salt, and 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 tablespoon ginger. I like to mix all my spice and before I put into the pan so it cooks it evenly. Let's add half a cup oil to the pan. Add in 2 cup chopped onions. We need to saute this till they are translucent. Should take about 5 to 6 minutes. So let's add 3 green chilies and also fry them over 1 minute. Let's add 1 cup chopped tomatoes. Also fry this for 5 minutes. We then reduce the heat to medium and simmer for another 10 minutes. Once the oil has blended together, just mix in the spiced pumpkins and cook for about 5 minutes. I'm adding 4 tablespoon jaggery to add some sweetness to it. This is a sweet and spicy dish. Mix well, the jaggery will slowly melt. Add 1 cup water. Once nicely mixed, then reduce the heat to medium. Add the lid and cook for 45 minutes. Check if the pumpkin is cooked. You don't want it too soft but not too hard. Just like this. So it's not mushy. Time to make the temper. 1 tablespoon mustard seed, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon jeera, 1 teaspoon nigella seeds. And now let's braise it so all the aroma comes out and the mustard seeds pops. This will be about 3 minutes on medium heat. Make sure you don't burn it. Now let's add half a cup oil and 1 tablespoon ghee. For extra flavor. Add 1 sliced onion. Fry till golden brown. Add some curry leaves and some dried chili. It's ready. Now, we add this directly to the curry. The dish is ready. Add some coriander to finish. Time to bowl. Serve with rice. Thank you for watching. Hope you try this sweet, spicy and delicious dish.